All of us seek connection. Seek peace. Seek refuge. Seek wellness. Seek purpose. We search and we search while the answer is right under our feet, above our heads. We find it in human history, in science, in how we experience the world. Ignore it, dismiss it, but do so at your own peril. Instead, seek it, claim it, take the leap, feel the joy, take control.
The time has come to do the right thing for your loved ones, for our planet, for our destiny. The time has come to live, to celebrate, to be at peace, to connect deeply, to look beyond the noise of every day. The time has come to put up your feet, burn your shoes, find your happy place, to breathe green and live well, today and every day.